Hey guys, it's really motivating to watch these kids doing amazing art and craft work and developing skills. I'm extremely happy to be a part of their inspiration. So let's begin. So our cute little Misbah Fatima will be doing thumb and hand impressions.
Here. Very good. Very good. ये वाला अब yellow. Next finger. Okay, good. Shabash. Very nice. वाह, ये तो कुछ बन गया, फैन बन गया, वाह। Say bye. You like it?
Next, our adorable Anaya will be doing coloring. Watching these kids doing coloring so perfectly and enjoying them at the same time fill my heart with joy. Really nice coloring, Anaya. Bye bye. Now our lovely Ira will do the coloring in her own fun way. Since the purpose is to make the kids learn in fun way, the same can be seen here.
Inside. What is this, Ira?
What is this?
Orange.
Orange.
Yes. करिए. Yes, do it. Yes, do it.
Now here's some more glimpse of outstanding art and craft work. Let's watch and enjoy.